Cortana is similar to devices like Alexa and things like that, like smart devices. So I do have a Cortana separated out here as of version 1903, and if I click it, you'll see that we will turn on Cortana, and obviously I do have a microphone, so it will listen to me at this point. I'm going to click it. I don't know if you could hear the little beep in there or not, but you notice it's typing everything that I'm saying right here and trying to answer me. Let's see what happens at this point if I just stop talking for just a second.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Yeah, that's kind of what I expected. It didn't catch that. Okay. Hey Cortana, what's the weather report for tomorrow?
The forecast for tomorrow shows partly sunny skies with a high of 77 and a low of 58.
So there we go. Hey Cortana, set a notification.
Here's a list from dummies.com for set a notification.
Okay, that didn't actually help me very much. Cortana wasn't very smart in that case, but I'll show you now where you can do that kind of thing. So this is actually my home button right here where I can start talking to Cortana. Down here is what we call the notebook, and it's in two parts, organizer and skills. Skills, I'll start there, has to do with the skills that Cortana knows about, and I can add skills to Cortana. So, for example, I can add some additional weather capability, sports, and all those things that Cortana can now look up. Or I can do some organization. I can make lists here and set reminders. Now, you notice it didn't set a reminder when I said that. Did I actually say reminder? Hey Cortana. Hey Cortana. Set a reminder.
Sure thing. What should I remind you about?
Alright, I think I said notification instead of reminder. Forget all that, Cortana. Scratch that.
Okay. When would you like to be reminded?
6 p.m. today.
Okay. Got it.
Alright. It wasn't very accurate. I may want to do that manually, but you get the idea here. I can create reminders in Cortana. I can type into it right here. Dinner at today at 6 p.m. All right, there you go. Now you can get the idea. Dinner at 6 p.m. Only once. Alright, so that's some of the things I can do here in Cortana. Down here are devices. There are some devices that Cortana can connect to that are aware. I should call them Cortana aware devices that can run the software that Cortana uses. And then, of course, I do have some settings down here that I can set for Cortana. They are on Home. Here's actually Start, Settings, and then Cortana. Let's take a look at what I can set here on Cortana. First of all, I can set up the microphone and I can check it. I can actually have Cortana turn itself off and on when it hears the words, Hey Cortana, or which it just did, keep my devices from sleeping when plugged in. So in other words, I can have Cortana respond even when my computer's asleep. I can start it up with a Win logo key C if I want to use a keyboard shortcut and have that on. And I can have it listen even when my device is locked. So then I can also change the languages. So that's the main section of Cortana. What about permissions? Well, first of all, Cortana right now is tied to my Microsoft account, even though I'm logged on as a local user right now. I have Cortana set up to recognize and be able to do stuff with what I have on my online profile. And then you can see down here, change what Cortana knows about me in the cloud, manage what it can learn, right? Manage the information Cortana can access from this device, and manage the information Cortana can access from other services. So if I say change what Cortana knows about me in the cloud, I just get this information here that I can clear what it knows, and I can get my info, which means I can see what Cortana already knows about me. And it simply sent something to my email, and usually I have to wait for several hours for it to pop up, and then I can see what Cortana already knows about me so that I can start deleting stuff if I want to. That's quite a bit about Cortana that we've seen. So I hope you've learned something about Cortana and learned something you haven't seen before. And thank you very much for listening.